Here's a video of a 2016 Lexus. It's a GS all-wheel drive, and it's in mint condition, only 25,000 miles on it. A lot of warranty on this. Just take a good look. This is not going to be a very long video. It doesn't have to be. This vehicle is going to sell itself. A 2016 Lexus GS all-wheel drive, loaded with options. And there, just give you a quick little, there it is. There's the rear. Show you the trunk. Just hold the fob there and open her up. A pass-through. Okay, so there you go. Good rubber all the way around. Just giving you a little shot of this. I'm going to get inside, show you a couple of things. Some of the options, the buttons, you know, all the fun stuff. But there it is. This is just took it in and trade recently. He took really good care of it. Just moved up to, needed something bigger. Kids are getting bigger. He went and bought a Range Rover, full-size Range Rover. Beautiful vehicle. Again, only 25,000 miles on this, and we're pricing it to move. Give me a call. If you got this email, just give me a call. We can talk about it. A lot of warranty on this, which, and I'm talking bumper to bumper warranty as well, so we can talk about it. All right, I'm also gonna do, here we go, I'm gonna just take a good look at the room here. There's the front, obviously. All right, I'm gonna jump in there in a minute, but here's what I love about this. How many cars have this much room in the back of a sedan anymore? I'm gonna get back in there, and I'm 6'2". Okay, now watch. And I have plenty of room. I'm just telling you, I have plenty of room. Now there's the cockpit area. I'm going to start it up in a minute. This has adaptive cruise, has blind spot information system. It has lane keeping assistance. It has, look at that, you're going to see it in just a minute. Look at the size of that infotainment center. Absolutely functional. I love it. There you go. I'm in the back, just so you know. I'm in the back. Plenty of room back here. Now I'm going to jump. I'm going to jump in the front. Real easy for me to get in now. You will have no problem. Your guests would feel very comfortable on a long haul. Okay, here we go. Now, start this baby. It's the front door. I got the key fob right here. And all you do is hit this button. The steering wheel, I like this right here. There you go, just put your fob in there. And here's the instrument cluster. And there you go. There's 25,000, what's that, 98 miles on it? Yep. Here's it's voice activated. And there it is. And here's the backup camera. There's the infotainment center. And there's the backup camera. And it is dynamic. I'll back it up a little bit if you can see. Big screen. We'll go forward again, and so plenty of room. And then this slides back here. You can put it in your sport mode here, normal, eco mode. Neat little shifter here. Got the weather maps in here, or mats I should say. And this is the how you navigate the information, you know, the infotainment center. Here's your map, you hit that right there. Here's your menu, you hit the menu, and voila, and then you can just toggle using this little thing here. So we'll go back to radio. Listen to the sound system here. And just hit that. And then your source. So you can do, and I had it on satellite. Of course. So great sounds too. Sound. Okay, and then just right here. It's great sound. That's only 29. You get the point. So, and then all I do is I go back here. You want to hit the map, just hit your map. There you go. Real easy. You'll get used to it. Heated, cooled seats for your passenger and you. There it is. Right there again. There's your up here. Your controls up here for your roof. Here's how you open and shut that. Real simple. Dome lights. Real simple vehicle, but very fast. I love the adaptive cruise. I love the lane keeping assistance. Once you have adaptive cruise, trust me, you won't want to buy a car without it. This already has it. Plenty of warranty on this vehicle. So I'm just gonna give you one more walk around. Here it is, how clean it is all the way around, folks. I just kind of washed a little bit of the dust off it sitting, and here you go. Just take a look. Good look. New tires on there, fresh rubber anyway. Just look how clean this vehicle is. Subwoofers. And we'll go around. Beautiful vehicle. For the right person. This is the GS. This isn't the ES. This is the GS model. Low miles, and like I said earlier, a lot of warranty on it. And we've got it priced to move. I'm going to give you one little quick from the passenger side real quick. There it is. Check it out. There it is. I'll bend down a little bit here. There it is. Just take a look all the way around. Lightly used. He had 3 other vehicles, I think, and this one was the one he traded in for the Range Rover he bought. Right, I think you get the picture. It's a beautiful vehicle. Give me a call. It's not going to be with us long because I'm really going to start promoting this now that I've come up for air. 2016 Lexus, the GS all-wheel drive. So, hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching.